Braincafe, the market leader in the non-digital school solutions program, is an initiative of Z-Learn, a leading educational company from the SL Group, with the sole purpose of improving human capital. It is the endeavor of Braincafe to reach out to schools across India and enable them with an innovative and interactive learning environment. The program focuses on inquiry-led experiential learning that improves the conceptual understanding and simplifies complex science concepts. In 2010, we collaborated with Gakken Education Company, Japan, pioneers in the field of science education for over 65 years and with a global presence in over 13 countries. So, why did we create a brand called Braincafe? Research shows that students retain 10% of what they read, 20% of what they hear, 30% of what they see, and 90% of what they do. Based on these life lessons learned in the classrooms, Braincafe, an experience and activity-based learning curriculum which focuses on learning by doing, was launched. Braincafe's vision is to be the most preferred partner in creating innovative learning environments that facilitate holistic development of the child. We believe that learning by doing leads to a sustainable understanding of the subject and that skill development is an integral need for the children of the 21st century along with conceptual understanding.
Braincafe science is basically, it's an activity-based science education. So generally in the schools, when a teacher is teaching any science subject, be it a physics, chemistry or biology, so we open a textbook, read out what is there in the textbook, and we'll try to explain and make the children understand. But still after the session, the students are left with a lot of doubts how this works in the real time. So unless that is clear in their mind, so they'll not be able to develop further things. Okay, so what we do is, after explaining the concept, as a teacher we do an experiment inside the classroom. So once we conduct that experiment inside the classroom, the student will understand, oh, the application part of this concept is so and so. For example, when you are talking about Bernoulli principle, so after, see, today the flight is taking off and landing off, so the technology behind that is Bernoulli principle. But instead of telling them theoretically, we do an experiment inside the classroom that the student will be able to understand thoroughly. And the next step, we also make the student to do the experiment inside the classroom. So when he is doing the experiment himself or she is doing the experiment himself, they will come out with a lot of doubts. They will try to do it in a different ways. Okay, in such case, they'll come out with a new techniques also. For example, somebody else has developed a television for us, and today we are seeing LEDs and LCDs. So how a normal TV has come to LED and LCD? Because somebody has worked on that. The same kind of environment we are providing inside the classroom. That means we call it as an activity-based education or learning science by doing the activities. So this is all about the Braincafe science.